Today I'm going to show you how to create a website with Elementor hosting. So first you'll have to sign up with any of their hosting plans. Then you'll have to log in. Here's what you get. Go to websites, click on create website, choose your plan, click on create new site, and the system will install WordPress for you. Now if you have a domain name, you can connect it straight away. If not, you can skip and they'll provide you a temporary domain name. So here you go, click here, your website is ready. You can click and see it here, it's pretty much blank. The next step would be to connect your domain name if you have one. So just click on connect domain, choose this option, include your domain name. Now you can log in with your existing hosting domain name provider and then follow the steps, or you can just click next and copy paste the following DNS records in your domain name provider account. I'll show you how to do it in Namecheap, but you can replicate for pretty much every domain name provider. So copy this value, go to Namecheap, dashboard, click on manage on any domain name that you have, go to advanced DNS, scroll down, click on add new record, include a CNAME record, make sure you add your site name here, then copy the next value, click on add new record, choose a record, include add, paste, and that's it. Now you have to wait up to 48 hours for the DNS to propagate so your domain name is functional. Meanwhile, you can go back and access your WordPress admin and start building your website. So click here and you'll be able to see your WordPress dashboard like this. Now by default, Elementor will install the Hello theme, but I would recommend you the Astra theme or any other theme that works well with Elementor and has multiple built-in templates. So go ahead and add new theme. Click on Astra install and activate the theme. You can of course use the Elementor builder to build your new pages from scratch, but I would highly recommend you to use Astra and their Astra starter templates plugin to be able to quickly import ready-made websites. So once you activate the Astra theme, you can go to plugins, add plugin, and install the Astra starter templates plugin. Just search here. Click on install now and activate the plugin. So importing a full website is really easy in Astra. You just choose whatever category suits you, and then you can customize the fonts, you can customize the color scheme and everything else directly in Elementor editor. I'll show you how it works. Just click on build with templates here, choose Elementor. Now you have a lot of categories here, just choose whatever works for you. Click, choose your fonts, the color scheme. You can later customize this, choose what additional plugins to be included, and click on continue. and just finalize the setup. I won't go through the whole process, but I'll show you how it works in the backend. So you go to any page. Once you finish the setup process, it will import all the pages, all the images and colors, and you'll have a fully functional website. Just click on any page and you'll be able to also customize it in Elementor. Click on Edit with Elementor and you'll have it here. So you can use the default blocks from Elementor or pages, or you can also use AI, but you'll have to pay. And you also have here the starter templates blocks, so you can import blocks or full pages from here as well. Let's say I want to import this one. I just click on import. So you have all the elements imported. Just click on publish and view your page. There you have it. You can later customize it. You can the title, the menus, and do whatever you want. So yeah, that's it. I hope it's useful.